Welcome! If you're looking to show your personal information while using Discord's web streamer mode on PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily manage what's visible while you're streaming or sharing your screen. Let's get started. First, open up Discord directly from your browser. You don't need to download anything extra. Just head to the official Discord website and log in with your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your user settings. Inside the user settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Click on it to enter the Streamer Mode settings. Now here's where you can control what information Discord hides while you're streaming. By default, Streamer Mode is designed to protect your privacy by hiding personal details like your email, Discord tag, and any connected accounts. But if you want to show your personal information, maybe for a tutorial or a specific reason, you'll need to adjust these settings. Look for the option that says Hide Personal Information. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. If the switch is turned on, your personal info will be hidden. To make your details visible, simply click the switch to turn it off. Once you do this, your personal information will be shown even when Streamer Mode is active. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can customize what your viewers see while you're streaming on Discord's web version. Remember, only share personal information if you're comfortable and understand the risks. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on Discord and other tech platforms. See you next time.